one too, though. That one's hella fire.
Yeah, I get it, bro. That shit. Which vlogger is this?
This way is Gideon.
Gideon.
Yeah,
oh, yeah, I know Gideon too.
Gideon.
Yeah, yeah.
Who is it? Everybody wanna know. Who is me? Everybody asking. Who is it? Yeah. Who is me? Yeah, man. Donny British. Driving Audis. Wouldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me. Clocks on feet like a London street. You know see? 400 pound OG. Ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me have me thugs and with me. Y'all hide the condom and say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me a move, me not touch Whitney. Bun a rape a boy and kill a boy, we touch Pitney. Bad mind and corruption, fi flush quickly. Dirty politicians swear man a them sick me. Bun bad mind and pagan, and iniquity and child molester and pedophiles. You see me? Fire upon them blood clot. You see it? Yeah man, straight fire. I rich you say, get a youth work hard me say. Because the money did it. You have to go for your goal. Yes, you have to go for your goal. Me tell you this once that you have to go for your goal. Try to play your role. Me tell you that we don't have no time for waste again. We don't have no time for high friend. Time for reach up the house pan the ends. Poverty and sufferation that fi end. Hey, we don't have no time for waste again. We don't have no time for high friend. Time for reach up the house pan the ends. Poverty and sufferation that fi end. Hey, me want the Benz with the leather seating. When me touch my house floor, marble tile greeting. From stone cut wall to diamond style ceiling. In a Chris house a Cherry Hill, my mother moving. Then you see my girl. Yes, a crazy shopping. From Victoria's Secret to Dardy and thing. For me some Benz with some nice spinning rim. Me tell you that every ghetto youth war for it, eh? And every ghetto youth war for it. Tired of eat macking.
You ready to get off?
Okay.
Huh? You ready to get off? Okay. Yeah. Is that a turtle? Turtle, you've seen turtles before at the aquarium, huh? Yeah, turtle.
You are so special to me.
So doesn't this look exactly like the one from the Santa Cruz park? Actually, Monterey, I should say.
All I need is you. I am so into you. You are so special to me.
Is that fun?
All I need.
You're so cute.
Yes, it's your boy Donny British outside, you know. Just step out from one of my best friend, Bank of America, you know. One of my good friend them, you know, man. I tell you, I'm a peeps. You want me to give you a joke? No, I'm not give you a joke. Sometimes you have to keep things to yourself. Yeah, Jaja. Damn, my skin dry. I shall use some lotion this morning. Yeah, up on the road, you know. I want to go get my engine oil changed, so I call my brethren who is a mechanic. I can't bother to go all the way to the dealership right now and ask him if he can help me change it. But the issue I may have is it's a special tool pull the filter cap in the range. So I need to go on AutoZone go get that check out. Check it. A long time we not count some money. Count money with me. A long time we not count money. At least. Long time me and Uno not count money. Count money almost every day. Damn. You could have give me some clean bills, man. Them are bills that look like you go in a crack house and sort of sitting, bruh. Go there. Look for all this a bill. This a bill are done, bruh. I don't know who them a give them a bill. It's a bill that a bill they done. You go spend that a bill now. People think me a counterfeiter to blood clot. Like me counterfeit some money. You see me? Bill they done. Hey. These people kill themselves over, you know? This, you know? Bruh. These people that do crime and madness over, you know, piece of paper, boy. That fellow. A piece of paper make your best friend will sell you out for this. A star so bright. Why in the sky so bright? My blood clay. So I make you have to expand, Soja. I want the blood clot that. No, but me have to watch this for a couple seconds, man, or a minute, at least a minute. Let me see if you do nothing. That shit steady. I want to start so bright though. You know, move, you know. That thing sit down up in the sky for more than a minute and it now move, you know. Now and if I start so bright. Now be an alien conversation the man them have today, you know. That thing have my mind running wild right now. That thing have my mind running crazy. The dog start up the chuck and the chuck sound heavy no blood clot. You can't make no jug in this a chuck. This a chuck has sound up the whole place, man. Blood clot. You can't do no creepings.
Yes, we sound up. Chuck start. Chuck start every year, chuck. And do me tired right now.
That started look like you have to make a wish pan, you know. It started on normal, man.
No, it started.
No, so it started on normal. It started the blood clot wise man them use and go find Jesus in a major. Remember they said the star went bright in a bright, the star in the sky now. I wonder if it's a new baby Jesus over there. Start driving down the star, get further to blood clot. Yeah. Outside, you know? Yeah, man, in the street late hours, you know. Time for me going to my family. See me not in the street so long, but me outside and one of my soldier lose him father, you see me? And me I tell us the pain. It's like me and the man hang out. And when the man get the car, say, the old man drop out, man. Me I say the pain. When me see the man feel, me couldn't just run off, you see me? Now we just did it with the G. You see me? And now we just did it with the G. Hey, me not give you more than that. Yeah, right now me tight with my money. I don't like me to travel. Wish I went put gas in it, but I'm full it up later, man. Outside. Cool. You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna say, yo, me make a video real quick. It's another life, yeah. You see, if you have your family and friends or whoever you have and you love them and you care about them, yo, you have to reach out to them and talk to them because life no guarantee. See, me can go on my bed right now and now wake up back. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, that's just life. You get what I'm saying? So, when you have life, yeah, man, you must appreciate it, you know? Yeah. You must appreciate life when you have it, man. Nice, you know? Eat some perspective. Hey, girl, come turn up the Instagram. You gotta be like a baby. I'm a child, you know?
I dey eat mackerel with ton meal. A time for the ghetto youth, them spin the wheel, ayy. Every ghetto youth want for rich, and every ghetto youth want for rich. Try to eat mackerel with ton meal. Give we some visa, make we send down barrel. Cause we don't have no time for waste again, ayy. We don't have no time for high go friend. Time for we reach out the house pan the ends. Poverty and sufferation that we end, ayy. We don't have no time for waste again. We don't have no time for high go friend. Time for we reach out the house pan the ends. Poverty and sufferation that we end, ayy. Yeah, Jamaican soap. How long me now? Get some Jamaican soap by the fireside. Yeah. While me am a draw, you don't know the thing go. Yeah man. Have to live the life, you know? Yeah, the life we get to see it. Can't complain, I love my life, but I live it twice. I swear to God. Yeah. Give Jah thanks for everything in our life, you know? Those wishing for me to fall, but Jah is gonna make me stronger. Nacho, you never see me on the street side begging bread. Nacho, we can't fail in our life. Nah, sir. Our ship always a sail in our life. You know, man. More for it. My family be stable. Have me one dish network and cable. Come on my yard, food for my table. Make me tell you that. More for it. My friend them fi stable. Have me recording studio and label. Anything me want, willing and able. So we tell you say, we not have no time for waste again. We not have no time for high go friend. Time for we reach up the house from the ends. Poverty and sufferation that fi end, ayy. We not have no time for waste again. We not have no time for high go friend. Time for we reach on the house from the ends. Poverty and sufferation that fi end, ayy. Me want the Benz with the leather seating. Touch me house for marble tile greeting. Soul cut water, diamond style stealing. Chris out a cherry in my mother moving then. To see me girl.
The snake. Isn't that cool?
Isn't that cool?
Did you see that?
He's like, hell no. Cool, ain't nothing cool.
Look at that, look.
See?
Look, baby. The snake.
Yeah, she's as tall as me now. She's about like 6'1".
Everybody asks, who is it? Hey, everybody what is that? Everybody asks, who is it? Who is me? Donny British, driving artist, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks on feet like a London street. You know see, 400 pound OG, shipping from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me, I'm with me. Bob Marley, me, I'm moving and touch with me. Born a raper boy and kill a boy who touch Pitney. Bad mind and corruption, be flush quickly. Dirty politicians swear man of them sick me. Me a touching and the place money happy spend. Red wine boost me up, no need supply gel. I did that grow with them, so I can walk on 5 G's, such park, Burberry 5 diamonds. How it look. See that? In Jamaica, this is dope pumps. We are 90s baby. Sugar, water, and lime. Yeah, me feel for that. And the man tell me, say me a brown sugar. Me say, what? Yeah. Come here, man. Go and drink some of your culture. Go and drink some of your culture. Come in. Go and drink some of your culture, because foreign people are used to this, you know. Foreign people are used to this. No, not stick, no. Yo, it's a foreigner this. I tell you.
British, you see? Oh me, oh me, Bumbucker, oh me, yeah, Donny British.